Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna waffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, well drained, along with 2 large eggs and about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. For extra creaminess and flavor, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to your liking. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix them up. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the well-drained tuna, the 2 eggs, and the 1/4 cup of flour. Next, gently fold in the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and the fresh chives. Stir everything together thoroughly until you have a cohesive and evenly blended batter. This ensures each waffle will be perfectly delicious. With your tuna mixture prepared, let's get cooking. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. It's important to lightly grease the waffle plates with a little oil or cooking spray to prevent any sticking. Spoon about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of the tuna mixture onto the hot iron. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, delicious tuna waffles, ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve them warm right off the waffle iron. You can elevate their flavor with a simple topping like a dollop of sour cream, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, or even a sprinkle of your favorite hot sauce. Garnish with some fresh parsley or dill for a lovely finish. These make a fantastic snack or light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.